So I just opened this and I'm really excited because this is like all the craze, all the wellness people are taking the oil supplement as like kind of like a vitamin, I would say, nowadays. Because so I'm gonna do my own research right now. CBD naturally occurring in humans. Okay, so I've heard a lot of people say that CBD is naturally occurring in the human structure, and according to Google, the body actually produces its own endogenous cannabinoids, natural equivalent of the compounds found in the cannabis plant, and such as THC and CBD. So I'm actually gonna send this to my mom because she doesn't really want to jump on the bandwagon. I know that a lot of people take like pain medication, and like I know so many kids even take like Tylenol or like Dayquil, NyQuil. I'm not saying this is gonna replace all of that. I'm saying you could start implementing it as part of your routine. This is actually like plant derived, and like my mom's like, oh, just because it's naturally occurring doesn't mean it's not bad for you. And I mean, she's right in a way, but something that's naturally occurring is not as bad as something created in a laboratory. You know what I mean? Because I feel like Mother Nature is so abundant and wonderful that even though it does produce poisonous things, there's proof that CBD is like so like, I don't know, I'm just not even gonna get into that right now because it's just like a never-ending subject. Anyway, your body does produce CBD, so it's actually very good for the immune system. Like when I was in Greece, I was actually having soda that was infused with like 5 milligrams of CBD, and I did feel like such a difference from before I took the soda and after I took the soda. I just felt overall a sense of like calm, and like before that I was just feeling so uncomfortable because like my throat was hurting, felt like I couldn't breathe. I felt like just like so allergic to the environment, and it's crazy to think that drinking a soda made me feel better. It's not because of the sugar, and it's not because of anything else besides the fact that it was infused with CBD. So that just goes to show you like how beneficial it can be to health instead of taking other chemical drugs. You know, this is actually derived from a plant. So I think that is very cool. I really like that this company reached out to me, and I spoke to one of the founders of the brand, and he personally told me that their goal is to bring awareness to natural and organic medicines to show that there are better alternatives to opioids and harmful chemicals, which I 100% agree with, because you know, people take Xanax to calm down, which you could take CBD for that, but people actually die from taking Xanax. Whether like some people can take it one time in their life and die just because it's a chemical that's reacting with your body, you know? It's not like a natural product. So your body like would more likely reject that, which is marketed to be a product that, you know the drill, whatever. But like Nobody has died of CBD or THC to this day. I'm gonna look it up right now because I hate when people say things and you're like,
checker. I'll check.
I'm like, I hate when people say things and I'm like, is that true or not? I don't feel like Googling it right now, so I'm gonna Google it for you right now. Has anyone died of THC or CBD? I don't think anyone has died because nothing's coming up, and I'm not gonna spend like an hour researching this. If someone died, it would be like first thing, okay? So there we go, no one's died. So I really am happy to promote a product that is natural, from plants, made in California, Irvine. Very trustworthy city. Nothing bad ever happens there. Disneyland is there, you know. It's like one of the top places to raise a kid probably in the world. So very reliable, very trustworthy, and I'm gonna try it now for the first time. This is 10 p.m. Suggested use: adults take 1 full dropper, 1 milliliter under the tongue each morning or evening, and adjust usage as needed. Alright, it says non-GMO, organically grown, gluten-free, all natural, grown and processed in the USA. We can all praise that. Okay, so this is the chill one. It's supposed to be good for like helping you sleep, helping you chill. Just like if you know, some people like, they're like, I need a drink, but like I don't really want to feel dehydrated or just like a headache because of alcohol anymore, so I don't even have a drink anymore. I just would rather do this, you know, if you like need a moment, if you like need to regroup. Meditation is also great. It's not all about ingesting because it's mainly your mind. That's another video. Anyway, so it says 1 full milliliter under the tongue. Wow. It kind of tastes like if I licked a Glade wall plug-in, because it has that oil and like it's very like refreshing and minty. It's chocolate mint, that's why, because it's like chocolate and mint, but very concentrated. But it's just a smell, it doesn't really have a taste. It kind of has like a taste oil, but like very light, and the smell is very strong, like chocolate and mint, but not like fragrancy, like just like a mint herb is right in your mouth kind of, but in an oil form. So I hope you enjoyed that description because that was deep. If you guys are interested in trying this, definitely click my link below so that I will get credit for it. I need to pay my bills too. I think that's what all the YouTubers say. Definitely use my link. I definitely would recommend this because like I already said, organic, non-GMO, and you just saw me take it, so obviously you need to take a page from my book and be more healthy. It's vegan friendly, which is very important to me because save the planet, save the animals, cruelty free, just overall wholesome product. So comment below if you guys have tried CBD, if you what you think about it, if you have or if you haven't. Anything else you guys want to comment? I really enjoy and entertain myself in the comment section. Sometimes it's like more fun than the videos. So I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. And if you guys want to follow me on social media, I'm always doing something. So I'll either post it on Instagram or be making a TikTok, or like, just everything's linked below, so just go check it out and follow. If you don't have a TikTok, you really should make one just to follow me, because I'm pretty funny and entertaining. But overall, it's a pretty entertaining app. Not spons, but it should be. Thanks for watching.